How you guys doing? Justin from JP Strength Therapy here on Workout Wednesdays. Just going to go over a movement that I'm doing currently in one of my workouts, the bird dog exercise. Very common, but you see it messed up a lot of times. So I recently posted a blog about how I ended up with a diastasis recti, which is the separation of your abdominal muscles, which just heightens the importance of doing all your core exercises with the utmost proper form. So we're going to go over the bird dog today. Start on your hands and knees. I'm going to lift my opposite arm and leg. So I'll lift my right leg and my left arm. Find your right pelvic position in neutral. Tighten the stomach there. As I straighten out, that pelvic position shouldn't change. Right? A lot of times you see this happen. There's a lot of rotation, which takes the core out of the picture there. You also see a lot of extension happening. So if I just go, boom, now I've completely lost that, and you can see how much extension I'm getting. Because I have some tight hip flexors and tight quads, I can't get my leg all the way up here without going into extra extension. So I have to know that and recognize my limit. Tighten the stomach, arm and leg go out, get my leg up as high as I can, but that's it, because if I go any higher, boom, I lose my good positioning. Come back down, switch sides. I'm doing 10 on each side for 3 sets.